Well, hello there, everybody. George here, and we've been doing some work on the car, and I just said I'd show you what we got up to. So, the entire front end is replaced. I have my Sparco lowering springs in now, so she's sitting 50mm lower. We have so we changed the spring, strut, different calipers, new hoses, new pads, new discs. Control arms, anti-roll bar bushes, everything cleaned and painted as well. Calipers done in red, and the same around this side. All the same. Strut, pads, caliper, disc, control arms, anti-roll bar bush, brake hose, everything. And all we had to do in the back was we painted the disc guard, and we have the calipers painted as well. Little drip there. Come on, that's it. Now this stuff is good. It dries very fast, but you have to watch it because it is very runny. It's like water. And we have the lowering springs in the back, so she's sitting pretty now. The stance is nice. The wheels out the back, I cleaned all them. The inside of the barrels and the back of the spokes, so I decided it was a good time to do it when they were off. And yeah, so we're happy out now. We got our 4-wheel tracked as well, the laser alignment, local place here. I'll pop up some pictures at the end. And yeah, so there's all the old stuff I took out. I just dropped the strut out complete with the control arms and everything attached. Saved me bollocksing around with seized on nuts and stuff. So I'll probably keep the calipers and toss the rest of it. I might keep the hubs as well, maybe, because the wheel bearings are okay. So we went through 2 or 3 cans of brake cleaner, and there's the old discs. So keep her right now for another while, and we're quite pleased. Yeah, so as I said, I'll bang up a few pictures at the end, and we're just sitting up on the old little finest axle stands. I just have the jack under the cross member there just for added safety. Not that I was in under it, but just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So she look well done with the wheels when they go back on, and I'm just waiting now to see. I had these painted ahead of time, and not a good idea, because when you're handling them, putting them on, it takes a couple of braking cycles to bake the paint, and of course I had painted them off the car, so the paint wasn't baked, so it kind of came off in a couple of spots from handling them, putting them on. So gave them another coat, and they're all completely done, like all the way in. That's what she said. And pretty much the same on the back here. It's all done on the inside as well. And we just painted the drum part of the rear disc here. Handbrake shoes are in there, of course. Yeah, so there we go. I'm hoping it doesn't rain, but I can feel a couple of drops. Mind the noise there. One of my neighbours is power hosing. He's at it all day. So yeah, I'll put a few pictures up in the end of this, and we'll get you in the next one. 73.